Hello, it's been a while. This is raylib, and today I will talk about static and dynamic libraries, or rather static libraries alone in this video. When a program starts to grow bigger, developers often need a way to organize reusable code without rewriting everything. For that, we use libraries. There are two types of libraries: static library and dynamic or shared library. A static library is a file that has multiple object files. According to geekforgeeks, a static library is a collection of object files that are linked into the program during the linking phase of compilation, resulting in a single executable file. The static library's code is copied to the given program before creating the executable file. A dynamic library. I thought in the beginning that this topic would be easy to digest, but I was wrong because of my half approach to it. It was not hard to learn, but challenging, as you will see soon enough. And what made it challenging to me was none other than these commands. Don't get me wrong, once you get used to them, they become easy. And my problem here is I didn't read about them, more like neglected them. I know that GCC is for compiling, but that's it. I didn't bother to look further into the topic since with VS Code, you just hit run code and it does the work for you. Anyway, as I said before in the beginning of the video, this is a learning journey, so I started with reading the definition of a static library first. Then I wrote some code, compiled the file to an object file, made a static library with the command AR and RCS, so everything was fine. But I was in a hurry for some reason and didn't read the rest of the definition and skipped a crucial step. I guess I was so I called my program and nothing, just a bunch of errors. And to top it off, I was wondering, what did I miss? Surely I didn't miss the definition, right? Moving on. The next 30 minutes, I decided to return to the definition and read it again, and found out that I missed a whole section full of information. Nevertheless, I continued and compiled the program for the final time, and nothing changed. So I did what I do. I took a break and left everything to tomorrow. So after yesterday, I deleted all the files and tried again small, this time. And the same thing happened again. At this time, I started wondering if the issue was with VS Code itself. So I asked Google, and the answer was yes. As in, yes, VS Code supports these commands. Apparently, as some of you noticed, the problem was in the way I wrote the commands. In those 3 days, I was racking my brain for 2 hours until I was fed up, and resumed the work the next day. And that happened because I didn't look or reread the definition again. Because honestly, it tells you how to create a static library and take you by the hand, one step after another. But in my case, I was jumping around, and that resulted in me making a simple and easy topic much harder, because I didn't read the documentation entirely. My initial plan was to make this video about static and dynamic library and go over them quickly since I thought they are simple. But I ended up complicating everything. For the last command that was missing in this case, it should be... Another thing I forgot to mention is that there are two commands. The one that I used, which is this one, and the other one is this one. The one that I used is simple and doesn't need an extra step. The second one requires you to compile the main.c file first in order to use it. Thank you for watching. I hope my rambling wasn't confusing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you notice something wrong about what I said, don't forget to comment it. Until next time.